Ah, hello. It's a new day. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some food. Never happens to you, right? Oh my God, it's hot. Give me a Subway and a glass of bourbon and leave me in a corner where it's cool and I'll be fine. Yeah, that doesn't work. I got people to feed. So, what do we got? Well, I started without you. And I got a pan full of chopped onions. They've been cooking for about 15 minutes. It wasn't really obvious there, but they're just very, very lightly browned in a lot of just simple olive oil. Yeah, I know. I need a better studio, otherwise you're going to just memorize my back. Okay, it's French style. So, French technique, French flavors. So, onions cooking about 15 minutes, just lightly browned. A few baby carrots chopped up. And one stalk of celery. So, excitement, right? Hey, it's only dinner. You can do this. I can do this. You can do this. We can all do this together. Be healthy, happy, and fine. So we're getting a little fond. Let's deglaze the pan with a little bit of cheap white wine. You'll notice the vacuum seal topper. Yeah, those are worth it. We don't do a lot with white wine in this house, so it's a good idea to keep one of those around. Okay, because I've been cooking the onions on low heat, I gotta turn that up. Little salt, little black pepper. Oh, hello. Okay. Tomato vegetable soup. It's just a nice light thing on a hot day. And the magic ingredient are the tomatoes. Yeah, I got a little food processor here full of freshly rinsed cherry tomatoes. Ooh. Better add some herbs. It's French with tomatoes, Provence-style, herbs de Provence. Let's do a couple of those because I'm just in the mood for something herby. Now, if this were Italian, of course, we'd have added a few things earlier. Like the garlic. But we're doing French food. French flavors, French techniques. Yes, I'm going to smash the garlic. Chop, chop, chop. For those of you who are new to the channel, I do not like smashing garlic. It's just usually just makes a mess. But it is a very French technique. And since I'm making a French dish, I will smash my garlic. I cannot tell you the smell right now. Herbs de Provence are herbs used in Provence, France, which is an agricultural region heavy in tomatoes. Okay, fresh tomatoes. You can use a can of chopped tomatoes, but they are so wonderful now, I'm just going to make my own. Yeah, that's it. Chopped cherry tomatoes in. You can see that there's very little juice with these. And they are magnificent. Oh my heavens, the smell coming out of this pan is impressive. So what we have is basically a vegetable, I don't know, almost a stew, if you will. Hello. Let's see if we can improve that camera angle a little bit here. So as I said, this is a tomato vegetable soup. And I have a pan full of vegetables that need to cook. The tomatoes will, of course, retain their very fresh flavor. Let's add a little bit of the magic stock in a box. Sorry, I am not participating today, for those of you at home. So, what we have is a pan full of good stuff. Strong flavors, strong smells coming out of there. And yes, if you're vegan, you can have this with a, I don't know, a piece of bread, call it a good dinner. You'll be okay. We want a little extra protein these days. So, as it is that this has the consistency of shashuka, I will use my precision egg applicator, yes, juice glass, and drop eggs in and saute them in, or poach them in the stock. We can serve that up with a little bit of bread. I don't know, I might add some butter to this later just to add more richness. But this is going to be a wonderful tomato-y vegetable. I hesitate to use the word chowder, but it is. Oh, that does need to cook. And a bay leaf would be an excellent addition. Sorry about that. Oh, how hard was that? Yeah, I'm sorry. Dinner can be that easy, even when it's hot. I'd still rather sit in a corner next to an air conditioner with a Subway and a glass of bourbon. But this will do. In fact, this with the egg will do quite nicely. It'll be very filling. If I feel adventurous, I can sprinkle cheese on top. It's your kitchen. You can do whatever you want. So, this is social media. Please be social and subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Thank you. Goodbye.